My name is Megan Brach. I've been teaching English as a second language for 4 years. Learning English isn't fast, nor is it easy, but I'm going to help you get started. Are you ready? Let's learn English. Now let's go through the difference between the sh sound and the ch sound. Put your teeth together and aspirate. Shh. The difference is, for this sound, you don't use your vocal cords. So let's practice. Shh. Share. Chef. Crash. Now, your mouth shape is the same, but you're going to use your vocal cords. Cha, cha, cha. So let's practice. Chair. Much. Cheese. Choose. Now you know the difference between the sh sound and the cha cha sound.